we do with the little buds, you guys are going to learn, you're going to connect your syringe and your needle. You're going to break the seal from the plunger. We're going to uncap and pull air into the syringe, okay? And then we're going to push that amount of air into the bottle, and that equalizes the bottle itself. All right, then once we do that, you're going to pull out the amount of medication that you need. You're going to do a one-handed scoop method to cap, and I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to tap out the bubbles. You guys are then going to untap again. You're going to pinch the skin and muscle, and then you're going to hold it either like a dart or a knife, and I'm going to show you both ways. You're going to stick really quick, and then you're going to aspirate, which is pulling it up, the plunger up, to see if blood comes back up into the syringe. If blood comes back up into the syringe, that means that there is actually, you've hit a vein. So we cannot push that medication in because that would be intravenous, right? We don't want to do that because we're doing an IM injection, not intravenous, okay? All right, then you're going to inject the med if the aspirating is fine. Then you're going to pull the needle, and once you pull the needle, you're going to do another one-handed scoop method where you're going to cap it, okay? So that is what the little steps are. So you might want to take a picture, write it down or something for yourself, all right? Now, we are only doing an IM. The way that this is going to work is I'm going to put a math problem up here, and you guys are going to see what it is, and that's what you're going to draw up, okay? I'm going to do a very simple one today, and as we get more into the class, you're going to get a little bit harder ones each time. This time, it'll be really simple. Today, the whole thing is about learning technique and learning how to put everything together, okay? The next class, it will be more about the math and doing it. So we have to learn about all of the different parts of the syringe and how we do this to make it work without hurting yourself or hurting your patients. It is extremely important that you understand, and you need to keep this in your mind, it is much more dangerous to put something into the body than it is to take it out. So for instance, with blood drawing, that's much safer than doing an injection. So why do you think it's much safer for us to take something out of the body versus putting something into the body? That is true. Everybody's body is different.
Ding, ding, ding.
And it's a foreign body, right? So if you put something into the body, what's going to happen is you might have a reaction. We don't know until it's there. The body does not recognize it. That is kind of the point. We want the body not to recognize it because the body is going to come in and do what it's supposed to do, which is fight. So we want that to happen. So I want you to think about vaccines for a minute, such as, let's say, the varicella, okay? Now, the varicella is for chickenpox. So what we do is we give you the vaccine, and that vaccine has a little bit of live varicella in it. What we're doing is introducing your body just enough, not enough to get chickenpox, but enough to make your body